Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting. They have brought us to the workshop an Opel Mokka 1400 turbo gasoline engine, the one you see here. The problem it has is that the owner is a little desperate with it, because when the engine heats up, when it goes over 85 degrees Celsius, what it does is throw the coolant through the expansion vessel, so it has already been through several workshops and changed parts. Among them, they have changed the temperature sensor, and they have also changed the thermostat twice in case it was defective. But the problem continues. To the last workshop he went to, they told him that he surely had a problem with the head gasket or the cylinder head, and the quote they gave him was very high. So he contacted us through another client who is a friend of his, and he brought it to the workshop. There you see how it is expelling the coolant. It throws all the coolant out of the glass expansion, then stops the engine immediately to protect the engine from overheating and actually damaging the head gasket or cylinder head. Sometimes it is simpler than all that. The problem that this engine has, I told the owner that it was probably a problem with the expansion tank cap. These caps have a valve underneath. Sometimes the valve deteriorates, and what it does is that it allows the coolant to leave the expansion tank. There you see that the coolant is now rising because the engine is gaining temperature and the thermostat opens. Then the coolant rises. With the other plug that the expansion vessel had, what happened was that coolant leaked out. Now I have already put in this other plug, which I had from another Opel in the workshop, although practically any plug works. And there you can already see that although the volume of the coolant increases, it does not leak out. You see that the electric fan works perfectly. We have done more tests and it doesn't work out in the end. The problem, as I say, is neither with the head gasket, nor surely there was any problem with the thermostat, nor with the engine temperature sensor. This was the real problem, the plug. These plugs, as I said, have a valve underneath, and that valve deteriorates over time and can cause the coolant to leak out of the expansion vessel. You see that it is a very cheap breakdown. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.